happened? Is the mom functioning or something? Is the mom functioning or some point?
What's that?
Is it a mom functioning or?
It's a fire alarm.
Yeah, I mean, sure.
Because I ain't want to leave my grandma behind because she's in the coma.
Go ahead.
Is it stopped? Some of them it still goes off. It's just blinking. This is the aftermath. Heard one say that one of the babies with kids pulled a fire alarm, or somebody's smoking. This just keep happening. It's even happening mostly at schools. Probably in case if you end up having a fire alarm goes out of school, you realize somebody's smoking in the bathroom. That's what happens. I was scared at first. I was like, what the hell is going on here? And I was about to call my parents because my grandma was in coma and they didn't want to I didn't actually want to leave her. I wonder if the elevator still works. Oh, this is the. Oh. I guess they didn't want to close the door. All right, right after I cut the camera off, the fire alarm actually was silent. So I asked the ladies on the third floor, and they said that somebody was smoking and it caused a fire alarm to go off. Yeah, which I mentioned about that, which I knew this was going to happen. You got kids smoking and all these. Mostly happened in schools. It just happens every year, I hate to say. Yeah, always remember, don't smoke, because it's bad for your lungs. And I mean, mostly they don't even really care. They just smokes every time. Anyway, no intercom videos. It's just just a fire alarm going off, and I know there ain't a lot of these videos because my grandma's in hospital in coma. Just pray for her, for your all viewers. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. And hopefully, as long as everything's getting better, I'll be back shortly. So, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So, catch you guys later. Have a good one.